Hello everyone, welcome to HK Smart Edu. Today we will see free courses at Management and Strategy Institute website, that is MSI. Here we are getting two courses free of cost and their certificates are also free. These courses are Six Sigma White Belt Certified and Project Management Essentials. Here course information is given. If you want, you can read it. Now let's see how to enroll in this courses. Click on Six Sigma White Belt course. If you want additional information before enrolling in the course, you can click on course syllabus and information brochure. You can download this PDF and see whether the course is useful for you. And if you want to enroll, then now click on enroll now. As you click on enroll now, this window is there. Here first you have to create an account, write your email address, password, confirm password and click on sign up. You can see that this course is free, $0. As you have completed your sign up, here there are terms and conditions. You have to accept them to access the course. Scroll down. If you want to read them, you can read this. And now click on accept. An email has been sent to your account. Please follow the link. So first check your email and click here on OK. When you open mail sent by this website and click on the link which is sent to you to confirm that it's you who are doing this activity. When you click on that link, this window opens. Here you have to write your first name, last name, email address, city and fill your basic details. Here state, zip code, phone number, how did you hear about us. These four details are optional. This symbol shows that it is mandatory to fill that details. Now you have to log in here and click on checkout. After completing my login, I will click on checkout. Now go to dashboard. Here you can see that I have enrolled in this course and expiry date, that is course will expire on 20th June 2021. That is 1 year from now. This course has 7 modules. Now you have 1 year to complete this course. If you want, you can also enroll in this course, Project Management Essentials. Click on it. Click on enroll now. Now click on checkout. Go to dashboard. Now we have enrolled in both the courses for free, and after completing this course we will get certificate from this website which is also free. In today's video we saw how to enroll in Project Management and Six Sigma course for free. Now you can follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.
So subscribe to our channel to get the latest notifications about free courses, and share the video with your friends and relatives to get them also utilize this opportunity. Like the video and comment in the comment box below which courses do you want, and don't forget to subscribe.